In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite your users and teams in ClickUp. This process is integral for collaborating effectively with your team members and ensuring everyone is aligned with your projects. So let's dive right into how you can seamlessly invite users to your ClickUp workspace. First, you'll want to start by opening ClickUp on your browser. Once you're there, you'll see your dashboard filled with various sections representing different projects and tasks. Familiarize yourself with this layout, as you'll be coming back to it often. Look for your workspace name, which is usually located at the top of the screen. This name is clickable and serves as a gateway to managing your workspace members and settings, so go ahead and click it. Once you're in the workspace settings, navigate your eyes down to find the People section. This is the hub where you'll manage all user-related activities within ClickUp. Clicking on People will open up a new interface where you'll see a list of all current members in your workspace. Here, you have the ability to add, remove, or adjust user roles and permissions as needed. Understanding this will give you great control over managing your teams effectively. Now, inviting a new user is as straightforward as typing in their email address. Spot the field marked for entering emails and carefully type in the email address of the person you wish to invite. Be sure to double check the spelling of the email address to avoid any mistakes that might prevent the invite from reaching its intended recipient. At this moment, it's good practice to notify the person you're inviting, just to ensure they're expecting the invitation. After you've entered the email address, the last and very crucial step lies ahead. You'll find an option labeled Send Invite. Clicking this button sends an invitation email to the designated address. The invited person will receive an email with instructions on how to join your ClickUp workspace. Keep in mind that the speed at which they'll receive this email can vary, but it typically arrives within a few minutes. It's important to note that once the user accepts the invite and joins your ClickUp workspace, they'll appear in your People section. From there, you can assign them tasks, manage their permissions, and integrate them into your workflow. As part of maintaining a well-oiled team in ClickUp, regularly check the People section to ensure all users have the appropriate roles and task assignments that suit their responsibilities. By following these steps, you can efficiently invite users and teams in ClickUp without a hitch. Remember that inviting users is a pivotal part of using project management software effectively, enabling seamless collaboration and project execution. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day managing your projects in ClickUp.